Hello everyone, this is Thomas from XINNUO Roll Forming Machinery in China. Today I'd like to introduce our cost-effective product, PU Roller Shutter Door Roll Forming Machine. This is our company's new product, PU Sandwich Material Insulation Roller Shutter Door Production Line. This production line is composed of decoiler equipment, cold roll forming device, PU foaming device, PU filling device, heat preservation device, tracking cut device, conveyor device, punching device, receiving rack and so on. The whole production line adopts PLC automatic control system, easy to operate, high efficiency. Roller shutter door through the production line cold roll forming, PU foaming processing. This type of roller shutter door products have the advantages of energy saving and environmental protection, thermal insulation, sound insulation and noise reduction, security and anti-theft, space saving. Okay, that's all for today's product introduction. If you enjoyed this video, please follow my channel. If you are interested in the products, please leave a comment for me. I will introduce the product which you are interested in next video.